Would you like to earn thousands of dollars every month without showing your face, without editing, or even filming the videos yourself? There are people from all across the world starting YouTube automation channels, and you can do the exact same thing and create passive income every month with ads that are placed on your videos. But the first step in making a lot of money rather than struggling is to pick the right niche, one that has a high CPM, which means the amount of money you get paid per 1,000 views. If you don't pick the right niche, it's going to be extremely hard for you, and you're going to waste a lot of time and resources. There's a lot of people out there telling you meditation channels are a great niche to get into because you get millions of views and all you have to do is upload relaxing sounds. Well, what I can tell you is that since the CPM on these channels is $1 to $3, you aren't going to make a lot of money. The other reason is that you can't add multiple ad breaks in these videos because no one wants to watch a relaxing video with ads in the middle of them. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 high CPM niches which you can model today where you can get paid $15, $20, sometimes even over $30 per 1,000 views. That way you don't need as many views and you can add multiple ad breaks in the videos so you can make really good part-time income or even a full-time income, making thousands of dollars a month. Make sure you stick around to the end because I'm going to share with you the niches you should absolutely avoid. So let's get started looking at these high CPM niches so you know which ones will give you the most amount of money. The first high CPM niche is cryptocurrency, and this is an example channel, Coins Kid. They never show their face and just give predictions and tips about cryptocurrency. And this is a great niche to get started with because there's so many coins coming out that you can take advantage of and give predictions and tips about. And you can see their videos are about analysis, about Bitcoin, and just different topics that people would want to know about. And you can see from their Social Blaze stats, this is a website that estimates how much money YouTube channels are making. They're making anywhere from $197 to $3.2K per month, but this is wrong because this is based on a CPM or amount of money you can make from 1,000 views of 25 cents to $4. And I know channels like this are earning anywhere from $15 to $20 per 1,000 views, so we can multiply 3.2K by 3 to 5 times that amount, so we can estimate this channel is making anywhere from $8,600 to $11,000 per month, or $103,000 to $138,000 every single year by uploading videos on YouTube without showing their face, and they probably have someone doing the videos for them. Oh, and by the way, if you want to learn how to build a long-term sustainable business and my #1 recommendation for making money from home, in addition to YouTube, click the first link in the description below this video. You can earn high-ticket commissions and leverage our closing team. And you're probably wondering, how much does it cost to have videos like this made? You can find people to make them for $30 to $40 per video. And let's say you upload 4 videos a week, and that'll be under $700 a month, and you're potentially making $10,000 a month in ad revenue, not to mention other ways you can make money through the channel like this by selling merchandise and through affiliate marketing. There's a huge potential to make much more money than this every single month. The next high CPM niche is in technology, but it's actually a sub-niche called Tesla. And this channel is about Tesla and Elon Musk. Tesla and Elon Musk are always in the news, and people are always researching the latest and greatest technologies coming out because they have such a great following. So with that being said, there are some channels coming out around this topic you can model after because they're becoming really popular. And you can see this channel started less than 2 years ago, and their most popular video has over 1 million views, and that was posted just 10 months ago. So basically they're taking clips and images and compiling them together and doing a voiceover, so they never have to show their face, and these videos can be outsourced so you never have to make the videos yourself. And the CPM for this niche is around $16 to $22. So if you take a look at their Social Blaze stats, you can see that the estimate for the $4 per CPM is 5.3K. So we can multiply this by 4 to 5 times and estimate they're making around $21,000 to $26,000 every single month simply by uploading videos on YouTube without showing their face, and they probably have someone doing the videos for them. Maybe they outsource the work to an offshore contractor or hire someone on Fiverr, and they're making a really good profit with this channel. And again, this is something that you can model today. The third high CPM niche is investing. And here's an example of a channel where they talk about different aspects of investing. And you can see their most popular video has gotten over 1.3 million views just 7 months ago. So the CPM for the investing niche is around $25 to $30 per 1,000 views. So if we take the low side of that and divide 1.3 million by 1,000 views and multiply it by $25, you can assume this video has made them around $32,000. And if we take a look at their Social Blaze stats, it shows they make around $3,000 a month. But again, since the CPM for this niche is $25 to $30, we can multiply that times 4. And so we can assume they're making around $12,000 a month. So you can see why investing is a great niche to get into. The fourth high CPM niche is personal finance. And here's an example of a channel. And we can see they talk about all aspects of managing your personal finances. And this niche pays anywhere from $35 to $45 per 1,000 views. Like you can imagine, the topic of their most recent video, how to pay off debt, would be a highly searched topic. And if we look at vidIQ, we can see that keyword gets searched over 2,900 times a month and has low competition and a great overall score of 53. Their most popular video has 9.8 million views. And if we take a CPM of $35, we can imagine that video alone has earned them $343,000. And if we take a look at their Social Blade stats, we can see it is estimated that they make anywhere from $631 to $10,000 a month based on 50 cents to $4 per 1,000 views. If you look at this little question mark right here, that's what it says. But since this CPM makes $35 to $45 per 1,000 views, you can multiply that times 4. So they could be making anywhere from $35,000 to $40,000 a month. The next high CPM niche is the Shopify niche. And you can see right here, this channel, Sell This Now, has over 54,000 subscribers. This channel talks about popular and trending products you can sell and drop ship on Shopify. And you can see this channel started about 2 years ago. And I know a popular YouTuber showed her CPM for her channel in this niche, where she does show her face, and it's about $85 per 1,000 views. So looking at this channel's Social Blade stats, we can safely multiply $348 by 10, considering this is not a branded channel. And we can say that they're making over $3,000 every single month. This is a niche you can easily model after and outsource making the videos and potentially be making thousands of dollars every month in passive income. What would that look like for your life? Now, what are topics that you should avoid? You should avoid them because you won't get monetized long term. It may work short term, but you may get your channel banned if you do these things. You don't just want to re-upload videos or music to your channel or do compilation videos, like put together a bunch of TikTok videos, because YouTube doesn't consider this what's called fair use, where you actually have to change the video and not just re-upload videos. And you may also get copyright strikes and get your channel banned. You want to avoid a niche having to do with children because of what's called the COPPA law, and that is the Children's Online Privacy Act. And it is designed to protect children under 13 years old who access the internet. So it's just best to stay away from this area and have your videos not be designed for children. Also, in the past, meditation channels with music and images of videos were fine, but YouTube most likely will not monetize a meditation channel if you don't make it transformative by adding something like affirmations. Thanks for sticking around to the end of this video, guys. I hope you go out there and really crush it on YouTube and make a lot of money. Let's continue the learning with this next video. You're really gonna wanna see this 10 more high CPM niches on YouTube. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.